Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the new Microsoft account credentials so the switch is quick. First, open Minecraft and immediately go to the main menu, then Profile, sign out of the current Microsoft account. This forces the prompt. Once done, close the game. Make sure your Ps5 user profile matches the PlayStation account you intend to use, because Minecraft links locally. This avoids accidental cross-account linking and saves time when you sign in again with the different account. Now relaunch Minecraft and choose Sign In at the welcome screen. This initiates the Microsoft OAuth flow. Enter the new account, email, and password, and complete two-factor authentication if required. This verifies ownership and prevents access issues. Once authenticated, accept the permission prompts so the account links to your PSN user on the console. Make sure to read which data is shared. Accepting links the cloud saves and Realms access. If you need a different Xbox profile, use the profile. Finish by confirming your gamer tag appears, Realms load, and purchases/skins are visible. That proves the new Microsoft account is active. If something looks missing, sign out and sign in again, then reboot the PS5. This clears local cache. If login errors persist, visit Account. Microsoft. Com from a browser to check device permissions and unlink any stuck sessions, then retry. One key troubleshooting tip. Clear saved data for Minecraft only after backing up worlds, because that removes local links.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.